Assalamu alaikum students, and I welcome you towards your e-lessons. This is your assignment 1, part 1. In this part, we are going to be covering the unit from Oxford Discover Writing and Spelling Book 6, Unit 1, Why Are Bridges Important? And the comprehension is the Millau Viaduct. Now, before we will move towards the reading of the text, first of all, let's revise some sight words. Now, I am going to say the word and the meaning of it as well. You have to repeat the word after me. You will have to revise the spellings of these words as well. And you have to write down these words in your notebooks, and then you have to write down their meanings with as well, and also you have to make sentences of these words. Alright, now let's move towards our sight words. First word is viaduct. Viaduct. It means a long bridge-like structure, typically a series of arches carrying a road or a railway across a valley or other low ground. Next, mast. Mast means a tall upright post on land, especially a flagpole. It's a pole basically. Next, suspended. Suspended means to come to a stop, usually temporarily, cease from operation for a time. Next, crucial. Crucial means critical, especially in the success or failure of something. Next, hazardous. Hazardous means risky or dangerous. Next, congestion. Congestion means overcrowding or clogging. Next, detour. Detour means a long or roundabout route. Next, economy. Economy means the state of a country or region in terms of the production of goods and services and the supply of money. And the last word is problematic. Problematic means difficult, hard and troublesome. Alright students, so these were our sight words. I hope you did repeat these words after me. Now you know what to do. You have to write down these words with their meanings and make sentences of these words. Also revise the spellings of them. Now let's move towards our text. Alright, so it is an opinion text. Do you know what an opinion text is? Well, an opinion text is a formal piece of writing which requires your opinion on a topic throughout the text. You will give various arguments, reasons, or viewpoints on the topic, and these will be supported by evidences and examples. You could also include an opposing view of point in a paragraph as well. So basically, an opinion text is where the person who is writing it down is giving his or her own opinion with arguments, reasons and viewpoints. Alright, so this unit is basically an opinion text about the Millau Viaduct. Now let's move towards the reading. The Millau Viaduct in southern France opened in December 2004. Its tallest mast is 343 meters high, making it the tallest bridge in the world. And it is nearly 2,500 meters long. It is built on pylons and suspended by cables over the river Tarn. It was crucial to get the right design because the valley is a hazardous place to build. The government decided that the bridge had to be built in order to solve the congestion problem that was causing long delays around Millau. The area became extremely busy in the summer, and the roads in the valley weren't big enough to cope with the amount of holiday traffic. However, some people thought the bridge was a bad idea. It caused damage to the environment, and it cost around 400 million euros to build. Furthermore, the route made a detour around Millau, so it had a negative effect on the economy of the area. In general, I believe that the project was a success because there is less congestion in the area now. Above all, it is a spectacular work of engineering, and although it was problematic and expensive to build, the skilled engineers made it possible. So basically, in this opinion text, the writer is talking about the Millau Viaduct. As we know what viaduct is, it is basically a long bridge like structure, right? So the writer has explained that why it was built in the first place, right? It was built because of the amount of traffic they were having over there, and it was getting very congested and overwhelming and clogged, and obviously it was not very convenient. So it was decided that they are going to build a viaduct here. Some people do have this opinion, as this is an opinion text and the writer is giving his own opinion, but before that he is giving the facts and some facts like ideas about that a few people do not like it as well. Alright, but then the writer tells about his own opinion, and he says that he thinks it was a success because it made the area less congested, and it is a very spectacular and beautiful piece of work of skilled engineers as well. So though it did cost a lot, but it is very useful. Alright students, I hope that you have enjoyed this text and that you have learned what an opinion text is. Now let's move towards our exercises on page number 5. Exercise C. Complete the chart about the Millau Viaduct. Now if you see over here, there is a chart given to you, and it says when it opened, its height, length, location, cost to build. Alright, now you have to read through the paragraphs and write down this. Most of its information which is asked here is given in the first paragraph. The first one I'll do for you. So when it opened, in the first paragraph they have told us the Millau Viaduct in southern France opened in December 2004. So we are going to write in front of it December 2004. Alright, now its height, then length, location and cost to build. You have to read through it and then you are going to write it down. I hope it's going to be easy for you and you will be able to do it. If you read the text carefully, it's not going to be a problem at all. Now let's move towards our next part, next exercise. Exercise D. Match these sentences to paragraph 2 or paragraph 3. Now they have given you 4 sentences and there is a block given along with the sentence as well. So you'll have to write 2 or 3 in that, right? So the first one is, it was too expensive. So in which paragraph it's been told to you that it was expensive? Alright, so you'll have to write it here, specify here. It solves a problem in the area. So where it is given. Number 3, it made life better for people. And number 4, it caused problems in the area. Alright, now you will have to specify in which paragraph these things have been given. Alright, so here the first sentence, it was too expensive, is in 3rd paragraph, where you see, however, some people thought the bridge was a bad idea. It caused damage to the environment and it cost around 400 million euros to build. So here they are telling that it was very expensive. So it is mentioned in which paragraph? 3rd. Now in the same way you have to do the rest of the parts. Alright, now let's move towards exercise E, part E. What is the writer's final opinion about the bridge? So as I have told you, what was the opinion of the writer? The writer thinks that it was a success and it was a good idea to build this bridge. Alright, and now exercise F. Do you think it was a good idea to build this bridge? Why or why not? So here students, you have to write down your own thoughts about this bridge, that was it a good idea to build it? So if you think that it is, then you have to tell why. And if you think that it was not a very good idea, in that case also you will have to tell why. Alright students, now I hope that you will be able to do it very easily. Now this is the end of part 1 of this assignment. I will see you next time. Till then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.